Hello everyone, welcome to my home. Today I'm going to make pizza. These are the ingredients: flour, 00, half a kilo, some olive oil, salt, 1 teaspoon and a half of salt, and yeast. Okay? Yeast, and melt it in warm water, okay? And then add in your flours. Okay, this is it melted in warm water. Add olive oil. Your dough must be soft and fluffy. I recommend 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5. Okay, half. And use your hands, okay, to mix. Okay, mix. If you want, you can add other flours. Okay, so mix with your hand. I recommend the dough must be fluffy and soft. Okay, look. Okay. Okay, I mix with my hands for some minutes. Okay. And then it's very important to beat the dough hard 2, 3, or 4 times in this way. Okay, and mix again, mix. Okay, this is the dough, okay, very soft and fluffy. Mix, okay, beat again, 1, 2, 3, and mix. Okay, I'm satisfied. Okay, this is the dough, okay. This is the dough. Now, take your baking pan like this one, or baking sheet like this one. Put some oil, okay? Put some oil. And then take a piece of your dough. Lay on your baking pan, okay? In this way, and flatten it, but a secret: if you put it in the oven for some minutes at 60 degrees, not more, for some minutes, so warm your oven, you can flatten it better and it can rise better, okay? Then, when you have flattened it, okay, or let it rest for about half an hour, and then add your favorite topping. Okay, don't forget tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, mozzarella, soft cheese, or fresh ricotta, basil, oregano, capers, some olive oil, and bake in your oven at 200 degrees or 220 degrees, okay, for about 25 minutes, 25, half an hour. It depends on your oven. And then serve and enjoy your pizza. Bye!